Here's an updated version of the Pendulum Sissy Squat, popularized by my good friend and colleague Doug Brignoli, and I highly recommend that you check out all of his videos as he goes into great detail about the benefits and the execution of this exercise. The difference in what I'm doing here, there are three different foot positions. I've got the first part of the video, the feet are further forward, then I move the feet back approximately 4 inches. And the second part, the execution is the same on all except that my feet are further back in each version. And then here again, I'm further back. I find that the further the feet are back, the greater the load on the quadriceps at the bottom. And again, Doug goes into why that is in his videos. The angle of the tibia is key. Lean back all the way through to minimize any glute involvement. And control the eccentric phase. That's one of the things that I make a point of with most every exercise, is you want tension all the way through, not just as you're trying to get up to the top. And then here's the setup that I use. I'm using a high quality dip belt that does not slide up and down my hips like a leather belt might. But I do see the benefit in experimenting with and using a climber's harness, where you've got the leg loops that keep it from potentially sliding.